Welcome to this presentation on how to write the CIPD Level 7 questions for 7LD01 assessment for 2024-25. You can visit our website by clicking on link provided in comment sections or chat with us on WhatsApp on clicking link to get best expert help. You will find how to write this question in this video. Kindly subscribe us to and message us on. The current environment demands agility in response to technological, economic, and market shifts. Traditional hierarchical structures often slow decision-making and adaptability. For example, organizations facing rapid digital disruption find their rigid systems ill-equipped for quick pivots. This is particularly evident in sectors like retail or education, where customer needs evolve rapidly. Organizational design helps rethink the way teams are structured, communication flows, and authority is distributed. By focusing on cross-functional teams and decentralized decision-making, companies can become more responsive. This slide introduces the idea that without restructuring the organization to enable agility, even the best strategies may fail. It sets the scene for why redesign is necessary, not just as a theoretical ideal, but as a practical step toward thriving in uncertain and fast-paced markets. We are about to explore how this approach can be strategically executed using appropriate models and goals aligned with business needs. To transform an organization into a more agile and adaptable entity, theory-based frameworks provide structure and direction. The McKinsey 7S model helps align key organizational components: strategy, structure, systems, shared values, skills, style, and staff. This model ensures that changes in one area are supported by others, preventing disjointed transformations. Kotter's 8-step change model complements this by focusing on the human side, establishing urgency, forming coalitions, and embedding change. These models give a blueprint for navigating resistance and building momentum. Both ensure that changes are embedded deeply and sustainably. By integrating these theories, we link abstract organizational goals with concrete actions. This reduces confusion, sets a consistent direction, and increases the chances of successful implementation. In this presentation, we use these models to frame a cohesive transformation strategy. Their strength lies in their ability to balance structure and culture, critical for lasting organizational agility. When selecting a model for organizational redesign, it's vital to consider strengths and weaknesses in context. The Burke-Litwin model excels at identifying cause-effect relationships across organizational layers, ideal for understanding how leadership, culture, and systems interact. However, its complexity may be a barrier for smaller organizations. Lewin's change management model, unfreeze, change, refreeze, is simpler and more intuitive, but may oversimplify modern dynamic environments that require constant evolution rather than fixed states. For agile transformations, combining these models offers balance. Burke-Litwin provides diagnostic depth. Lewin delivers action-oriented clarity. Our evaluation also considers scalability, cultural fit, and integration with technology. No model is perfect, but informed selection reduces risk and aligns efforts with strategic objectives. The chosen model must not only suit the current organizational state, but also anticipate future demands. Evaluating models critically ensures we adopt a framework that aligns with our specific transformation goals. Organizational agility requires rethinking what the business prioritizes and how it functions daily. First, decentralized decision-making allows frontline teams to act quickly without waiting for top-down approval, crucial in fast-changing markets. Second, cross-functional collaboration breaks down silos, encouraging departments to work together toward common goals. Third, cultivating a learning culture ensures that employees are continuously adapting, experimenting, and improving. Finally, systems and structures must evolve to support these shifts, such as adopting flexible IT platforms, hybrid work models, or modular team structures. Each of these goals contributes to the overall resilience and responsiveness of the organization. Together, they create a feedback loop. Faster decisions lead to quicker learning, which enhances collaboration and drives innovation. This slide summarizes the practical targets of a design-led transformation, making clear that agility is not abstract. It's built on specific, actionable goals that align tightly with the business strategy and external demands. A successful organizational design initiative must be aligned with the company's broader goals, such as market expansion, innovation, or customer satisfaction. Without alignment, even well-executed changes may miss the mark. Leadership plays a key role in this alignment by championing the transformation, allocating resources, and modeling desired behaviors. Implementation should be phased, allowing teams to test, learn, and adapt. For example, piloting cross-functional teams in one division before scaling can reduce resistance and reveal practical barriers. Feedback loops, through surveys, retrospectives, or performance dashboards, are critical to ensure continuous improvement. Design is not a one-off event, but a dynamic process that must evolve with the business environment. Finally, metrics must track both short-term progress and long-term impact. This final slide ties the entire strategy together, aligning theory, goals, and actions for a coherent, impactful transformation journey. The outcome is a more adaptive, innovative, and competitive organization prepared for future challenges.